everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this amazing magic set that was sent to me from Rex London. The set includes a variety of magic props and an instruction booklet on how to do over 80 magic tricks. So let's do some magic. For my first trick, I'm going to turn this plastic coin into real money. For my next trick, I have a little red ball inside a vase. I'll take the ball and put it in my pocket. Now watch as it magically returns to the vase. In this trick, I will place 3 beads inside this tube in the order of yellow, blue, red. Now look closely as the beads magically change their order to red, yellow, blue. For my final trick, I'm going to place a coin inside this box and push pins straight through it. So that's all for today's video. I had lots of fun trying out this magic set. The set has a great variety of tricks from prop magic to card tricks. The magic tricks are easy to learn, though the sleight of hand ones require some practice. Overall, this is a great magic set and a really fun gift for anyone interested in magic. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this magic set, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!